We are going to tackle cleaning out my closet today.
It's already looking so much better. I got over there just super hard at work.
And you guys requested a haul. Happy Friday, you guys. We are going to tackle cleaning out my closet today at school. We have a teacher work day. So I just got my report cards all done. Thank the Lord. It didn't take as long as I thought it was gonna take. So it is 11:32 and I'm going to lunch at 12. So I'm gonna try and tackle my closet before lunch. Do not judge me, you guys, on how messy my closet is. All right, so here's my closet and it's honestly just kind of like a holding area for everything. So here it goes. I didn't think it was that bad. I honestly feel like you guys can't even see it all. So I don't know if I even wanted to show you, but step one is gonna be getting everything off of the ground. This has just been like an area where I throw things because I don't have anywhere at home to put it. So I'm just gonna put it in a tub that I brought and bring it home. It's like a bunch of party games and decor and flexible seating and like random things. Like you guys will see, it's a hot mess. But I'm typically a pretty organized person. Like this all is organized, but it's not anymore. It was organized, it's not anymore just because, like I said, it's been like so crazy and it's hard to get to those things because of what's going on right here. So let's go ahead and move everything out. All right, I've gotten everything off of the ground. I'm trying to decide if I should rearrange anything, but first I'm going through these shelves right here and kind of taking off anything that's not in a tub so I can find its appropriate home.
It's already looking so much better. I kind of have just reorganized those two shelves. I haven't done those yet, but I feel like that looks a lot better. I put like different things on that. Over here is also a hot mess. That's bulletin board stuff, so that's gonna be like that. That's how it is, you know?
We've gotten most of the closet done. It's been a little while and my mom's been helping me, so I'm gonna show you guys what we have so far and then what we have left.
Helping me so much. Look at her over there just super hard at work playing Candy Crush. But that's all the stuff we're taking home. Here it is. I think it looks so much better. I have everything organized. I have some that I still need to make labels for that I just never got around to, but it is so much more organized. I still haven't done the top, but like I don't really care about that. But all of this looks so much better, all of the rows, and then this is what down here looks like now. So there's nothing on the ground, but I reorganized those. That's like food stuff, cups, all of that. Here's like craft stuff, and then these are like trays for crafts, and then my markers, some of my curriculum books. Here is kind of just like my catch-all little bin. There's nothing in there now but our cape. So that's that. And then back here is like our snacks, just for when kids don't have them. I reorganized this. That's like handwriting, empty binder, old planner, and then those are seasonal books or like books that I do like book studies with and stuff like that. So that's down there. Up here is this crate. This is for my assistant, like all of our books and stuff like that. And then bulletin board stuff right there, and empty binders. Back here I have, that's full of Christmas things that we use for like deck the desks and Christmas presents, stuff like that. So I was going to take it home, but it kind of fits back there, and I think that'll prevent me from cramming other stuff there. So we're going to keep that there. Here's the end of their end of the year gifts. It's buckets from Oriental Trading. I actually have a Squishmallow that I got last year and I haven't brought it out this year, so it's just kind of staying here. Extra little caddies and our Silent Speedball. So this is what it looks like right now. I think it looks so much better. What we have left, that's trash. So I don't think I'm using those balls next year. That was just an extra one. It was like completely flat. And so I'm just like not even doing anything with that. I think I haven't decided. There's an extra rollable stool that was in my closet, but I think I'm going to leave it out and just put it back there in that back corner with our other ones. And then I should have some like random little things, but then that's it. And like I said, all of that is going home. So a bunch of stuff that I just had kind of crammed in my closet, like for like glow day, snow stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of that up really quick and then we'll be done. Here it is, all done. I went ahead and just put some other things away and our room is now clean and our closet looks so good. Definitely took a while. It's 2:42, but we did go to lunch and stuff in between. But I really love how it looks and I'm gonna definitely keep it more organized. So don't worry, I'm not as awful as it looked in the beginning. I think it looks really good now. I'm gonna keep it this way. I think my room is just so small and there's not a ton of storage and things just pile up. So if you're a teacher, you probably understand. There with all the bags, she's the best. Hello, my friends, I am back and you guys requested a haul, AKA I thought this video was too short, so I put on my little community thing on YouTube if you guys would like to see a haul at the end, and a lot of you guys said yes. So here's a bunch of random things that I've gotten recently that I think you guys may like, and I have all these linked in my Amazon storefront, and I'll also have them linked in the caption below if you see anything you like, because these are all things I love. Also, it was my husband's birthday last weekend, so we still have some of the decorations up. But for his birthday, I actually got him this game. I don't know how to say it. Catan, something. We haven't played it yet, but I have heard so many good things about it, and we are super excited to play it. So if you've played it before, let us know down below if you like it, because we're really excited. We saw it. We went to Blowing Rock, North Carolina this weekend, and we saw it at this little toy store thing, and it was $60. And I was like, oh my goodness. But then we found it on Amazon. It was like $47. But it has so many good reviews that I'm like, it must be that good of a game. So let me know. The next thing are my go-to little elastics. They are these. I think any brand would work great, but this has like 300 or something. I don't know how many, but a lot. And I use these. Okay, that was out of focus. Just ignore that. I use these all the time for little hairstyles that I do when I like pin my hair back and stuff. I just think they're cute, so love those. The next thing is this texture spray. I actually just got this last week and it smells so good. It's the Kenra Platinum Dry Texture Spray. I have really like kind of flat hair. I have like really thick long hair. So like my hair just naturally like stays flat against my head. And I love this stuff. I have used it a couple of times and I just think it works really, really well and it smells phenomenal. 10 out of 10. Going along with other things that I am obsessed with, this Sol de Janeiro, I don't know how to say it, y'all, so don't come for me. Sol de Janeiro, I don't know. This is the 62, smells amazing, like, I love it so much. And it's pretty big. I was not expecting it to be this big, but for like $32, definitely worth it. Like I've had it for over a month and like, I use it every single day and it's not even like that low at all. Really, you can't even tell I've used it. But I have, I promise you guys. The next couple of items are all clothing. I'm gonna save my best for last because man, they're too good. So you just wait. So first up, I've kind of got to scoot back for this. I have seen overalls all over the place. I think they look so cute, especially for like spring and summer, like going to a farmer's market, you know? So I got these overalls. I read online that they're like an Abercrombie dupe, but I think they're super cute. They are long and the model, I will stick a picture up here, but she has them like rolled up and I think they look really cute on her, but I got a size medium and it fits great. I think it's super cute. Love the pocket, love the back. So I think this is a win. Going along with things kind of like that is this jumpsuit. I've worn this and I will put a picture of me in it right here so that you guys can see it. It is adorable. Like the color is everything. It has like a little belt that goes around it. It is so flattering. I had actually gotten one before this and it was like really thin
and you could see everything, and I was like not a fan. So I returned it and I got this one, and I just love it so much. Like, it's thick. I think it's great quality. Like, it feels very quality. I don't know what, expensive, that's the word. It feels expensive. Love the ruffle sleeves, everything about it. I'm here for it. So definitely go check that out. The next thing I actually just posted a reel about because I'm obsessed. I got this in the mail last week. There are these pants. They're like a lavender color. We love stretchy waistband because with teaching, it's like you're up and you're down, you're snacking, you're doing all sorts of things, and it's kind of each one to be comfortable. And I hate when pants are tight. So I got these, and I also just think they're super flattering with like a teacher tee. So that's kind of like what I had in mind here. It has pockets, but you guys, I have not told anybody this. Mine came with a hole in the pocket. So I actually have to return these, and I'm so sad. I put them on this morning to wear them to work. And like I took the tag off and everything, and then I like put my hands in my pockets because I was like, ooh, Brett, look, these have pockets. And then it had a hole in it. So I'm gonna return them and get them again. Obviously they don't all have holes in them, but I'm obsessed. And I think they're so pretty and flowy. And my idea with these was to wear this top. Okay, I kind of fixed the camera a little bit because it was a little whack. But with those pants and just, you know, with anything, I loved this shirt. It says, I believe in you. And I thought this, I have a picture in it. I'll post it. I'll put it on the screen. Like the colors I thought were adorable, and I have Nike Air Force Ones that are like pastel pink and purple, and I was like, that'd be so cute together. So I love that outfit combo. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, my bestseller last month were these 3-pack of leggings. They're on sale today, so they might be whenever you're watching this, I don't know, but they're linked in my most recent purchases. It's a 3-pack of leggings. Let me see the brand. I'll just link them below. I don't even know what brand they are. They are by far the softest leggings I've ever owned. This is the pink color, or purple. Black, mine are literally inside out because I wore them this weekend and I got them out of the dirty clothes just to show you guys. So let me just, black. And then this really pretty gray color. And I cannot tell you, I just ordered another pack that has different colors. I love them. Like the softest leggings, and they just are very flattering on. Like the picture definitely does justice. Like I looked at the picture that, you know, it has on there, and I was like, man, those like look really flattering. Like I wonder if it's actually like that. And it is. Like they're super cute, and I absolutely love them. So I highly recommend. There's my really chaotic Amazon haul for you guys of like recent purchases / things I absolutely love. So check them out down below, and thank you if you've made it this far in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and come back for the next one. Bye guys.